Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add social media icons in Hostinger Website Builder 2026. So actually guys, as first you will need to open the whole hpanel.hostinger.com, and after that you will need to make sure that you already logged into Hostinger. If not, just click on login. You will find the button on the top right corner. So enter your account credentials and enter the website. Okay, so right now after that I want you to go and click on the websites option on the left hand menu, and then just select the website list just like so. Alright, so right now I want you to locate the website that you want to add the social media icon on and just click on edit website next to it. Then you will be forwarded into the builder.hostinger.com where you can do that. Okay, so you can add social icons to the header like top bar or the footer. That's the most common. Okay, so the footer is right here. Okay, so that's the footer. So right now I want you to go with the elements, so we all need to select the footer first, then just go and click on elements, scroll all the way down and click on the social icons. Okay, so actually I added two of them because I repeat the process. Okay, so actually this is how you can add it, and let's delete one. I already have them here. Okay, as you can see, the icons appears instantly. Okay, so to add your social media, your Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, Twitter, you will need just to select that option. After that, just go with edit social icons. So from here, you can add or you can copy paste the URL or your page URL just right here. Alright, you can even click on add a new link and add the social link. Even you can edit the style from here, the layout, the animation, etc. Right, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.